Hey everyone, welcome to Ria Talks Gender Equality. So, yes, finally we are here with our very own YouTube channel wherein we as a team will be redefining the meaning of gender equality. First of all, I would love to thank each one of you for the kind of response you people have given me over my video on Instagram. And I cannot believe that it went so well. I was so overwhelmed that you people have literally typed paragraphs over it. I mean, you have literally typed this long paragraphs with each detailing what you loved about it, what the feedbacks and stuff. And I've got so many DMs, so many positive DMs. It was so much of love and support from you all that it really motivated me to, finally start this channel, which I was thinking since a long time and I couldn't take a decision upon. So thank you so much for that. Now, first things first, I want to clear out one point before we, start over this journey of bringing a change and talking about all this stuff. I want to tell you that this particular platform, Ria Talks Gender Equality, is not at all an initiative to prove any gender superior amongst all others. Okay. So, see, I've gone through an ample of platforms which are talking about equality, gender equality, human rights, men's rights, women's rights. But what they are trying to do is either some of them, just try to portray women as, far better than men, and others are trying to say that men's are no way less. So that is not something we are going to discuss over here. See, we need to understand that gender equality is not at all a competition amongst genders, right? We need to develop some sort of empathy amongst each other, for each other, and build some sort of understanding that we start respecting the space of the other person, the freedom, the choices, everything about others. It shouldn't be judged at all. This is what we are supposed to do. So we will never be trying to emphasize more upon women, women's problems or what they are facing, their struggles. Nor we are going to ever focus on men, whatever their issues are, whatever they are facing. Also, we will not just mention men and women when we talk about gender equality. We will equally mention LGBTQIA section. Okay, so here we are not talking about, it is called gender equality, but that does not mean that we will be gender specific to a particular gender. Okay, ultimately we are covering each and every human being on this planet. Okay, we have to be compassionate amongst each one of us. So when we talk about women, when we talk about men, when we talk about LGBTQIA, and if any more to be discovered, you never know, right? So we will be talking about, as each human being, what we are supposed to do and how we are supposed to treat each other, what is going wrong, where we should fix things. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. There'll be see, we all think that we are completely aligned towards this agenda. We all believe in equality, we all believe in gender equality, and we are broad minded people and all that stuff. But if we go to the ground level, and if we really look at ourselves and try to realize, you'll see there are still a lot of issues, that a lot of tiny things that we tend to ignore, but we shouldn't. Okay, on our day to day basis. For example, let's say, we don't even talk about LGBTQIA section. That in itself is a ridiculous thing to say. Okay, and for example, we sometimes, so I'm talking about all of us, not just you, not just me, all of us. Okay, we tend to do such things. So or maybe let's say, sometimes what happens is, I've seen people, if any some of your friend or mostly unknown people, who don't matter to us, if they look a bit weird, we tend to say ki are ye to gay ki tarah dikhta hai, he looks like a gay. So what are we trying to address actually? I mean, isn't a person supposed to look like a gay? And what does that mean even? What does that looking like a gay mean even? Just imagine if we say, अरे ये तो men की तरह लगता है यार, अरे ये तो आदमी की तरह लगता है, she looks like, this looks like a woman, yeah. Does that even make sense? I mean, how insensitive is that? So we are not supposed to pass such statements actually, which we tend to do, all of us, right? So these are the little things. There are a lot more to it. This is just an example to give you an idea what kind of stuff we'll be discussing and how much in depth will it be. So this is something we really need to change in ourselves, and I want you people to know that in my upcoming videos. So this is just an introduction video. I wanted to establish, the idea, the agenda, and what we are going to do in this channel. So I want to just let you know that in our upcoming videos, you will be seeing, discussions and some sort of interviews, maybe mostly discussions, and they'll be to start with my friends and family, because obviously I do not have any renowned personalities now, and also I think that people around us are the most closest ones, and let's start changing the world from the nearest ones only, right? So that's what I'll be doing in upcoming videos. If you think there is an issue, or there is a concern, or anything that you think that we should discuss about, just please drop it in the comment section and let me know that what you really you want me to talk about, okay, what you want me to discuss about. I'll definitely cover it up, because we have just started, and even I don't know how this is going to be. I'm just going with the flow for now. Whatever that comes to my mind, whatever point that comes to my mind, I'll try and cover it up. But I really want you all to please, make it interactive and help me understand the topics that you want to listen about, that you want to talk about, that you think are a matter of concern. So yeah, that is all. And if I yeah, I think that is all, and let's just meet in the comment section. So since this is my first video and saying it for the very first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel. It will be very, 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 very big thing for me. I'll be highly thankful to you. Please, if you liked it, if you think any of your friends would like it, would love watching it, or if they like watching about gender equality, if you feel so, please share it with them. That is all from my end. Let's meet soon again. Bye bye.